Good afternoon, everyone. This is Akshay over here, and I'm executing the second homework or the second assignment of FPGA, where I have to design a 4-bit counter which has to count upwards and downwards. So when you open Questa, this is the first module code that I've done, which is module LED counter. I've given as input clock, reset, direction, and output as register 3 to 0 count. That is nothing but a 4-bit counter, and have given if direction is pre-count, it has to count pre-count plus 1, and if else it has to down count as pre-count minus 1. So first, before uh, compiling this, you have to set this as a top level entity. After setting the top level entity, you have to compile this report using the run compilation over here. When you run the compilation, this is the report that you get, where you get the ALMs as 17, total registers is 32-bit register. So that is what I have mentioned over here, 32-bit, 31 is to 0, that is nothing but the 32-bit register. And when you check the timing analyzer, double click on it, the timing analyzer opens, and then scroll down over here and report path, and click on report path. So 6.269 is the nanoseconds it takes from direction to pre-count, 28. Okay, and I'll minimize this. So I've written a test bench. When for this you have to go with the test bench as well. So to create a test bench, you have to go for tools, and not tools. And you have to go to processing, start, and you have to start a test bench template writer. So I have modified the test bench code so that it runs to it takes the input from the main code and runs the test bench. So this is the test bench code that I have modified. So after modifying the code, you have to run simulation, where your tools, run simulation tool, and run RTL simulation. A Questa window opens. This is the Questa window. When we look at this window, this is nothing but a Questa window. You have to run this first. We have to compile. Click on compile, and compile the test bench code first, and then simulate it. When we simulate it, you can check this. This is the output. I can minimize this for you. So it starts up counting from 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 until 20, and again down count. And when you look at this is the output over here. So this is the first part of the 4-bit simulation. In the following video, I'll show you how to how do I dump the board onto the FPGA board, dump the code onto the FPGA board, and I'll explain how to dump the code into the FPGA, and show you how the FPGA runs. So after the RTL simulation and running it on Questa using the test bench, now we go to the dumping of the code onto the FPGA board. To dump the code onto the FPGA board, first we click on assignments and pin planner. You have to assign the pins over here on the location according to the data sheet of the FPGA board, and after that close this. The pin planner would be there will be a .qsf file generated, so you can check it there. And after that, if you have to open program device, open programmer over here, and you have to click on first hardware setup and select the DE SoC USB1 hardware. And after that, you have to right click on this edit and change file. You have to double click on SOF file, and merge it with this. After that, you have to click on start. When you click on start, the code will be dumped onto the FPGA board, and now it is dumped and it is 100% successful. And I'll be showing you the working of the FPGA board now. So this is my FPGA board. As you can see, there's a light glowing over here. 1, 2, 3, 4, and this is the up or down counter pin that I've configured, and this is the reset pin. When I click on reset, as you can see the two lights glowing over here. When I click on reset, it will reset everything and it will start from 0 again. Since the delay is more, it will take some more time. And when this sense it is counting 1, 2, 3. So when I pull the switch down, the switch 9 down, it will start from 15, that is, and I have to click on reset. So it's, as you can see, it's 15, like this. Yep, 15, 14 and 13, 12, 11, like that. So when I switch this one again and click on reset, it will start from 0.